Today's quick tip of the day for meal planning and prepping is chopping your veggies in advance. This saves you so much time and stress and less cleanup in the kitchen. I do this whenever I have the cutting board and knife out. I try to chop some extra veggies so that I have it on hand, easy to go. So what I did is I chopped up some onions and some red bell peppers, and I bought some pre-sliced mushrooms just to save me time. I'm making fajitas later tonight, so it'll be quick and easy, and I'm looking forward to the less stress in the kitchen.